At Scott Winkowitz Insurance Group, we like to focus on the hidden costs of insurance as well. Most people always talk about their premium and or their deductible, which is terrific, but what a lot of times people don't talk about are the hidden costs. What do I mean by this? Well, on the home, if you have the proper rebuilding cost or not. Water backup for a basement, if you don't have the proper coverage, that's actually the second most common claim and is an excluded. So what is the cost of having a water backup claim that's not covered? Well, that can be extremely expensive. Having a flat deductible on wind hail, which is the most common claim. A lot of companies are going to a higher percentage deductible without even letting their current clients know. And then also the proper liability limits. Making sure you have at least $500,000 worth of liability if you own your place is extremely important, along with replacement cost on contents. The last thing you want to have happen in a claim situation is they start to depreciate a TV or a couch or an appliance or all your clothing, because you can be out way more money than just your deductible. On the auto insurance, some hidden costs are liability. A lot of times people are going out with not the proper liability limits, and they don't realize for an extra 10 or 20 bucks a month, they can get 2 or 3 times the coverage. If a bad accident happens, you could easily be losing all of your assets. Rental car coverage. It's an often underlooked coverage. It's not very expensive, but if and when you get in an accident, you're not having to pony up extra for a rental car. 12-month policies, locking your rate in for 12 months versus 6 months is a big deal. If you get in an accident or have a speeding ticket, it just gives you a little more time to plan for that little bit of an increase that you're going to get, rather than in 5 months or 6 months they bump your rate right away. Claim advice, having the proper person give you the proper advice before, during, and after a claim is worth a lot of money, especially if your claim's not going well. The average agent is not an industry expert, so you have to be very careful of the hidden cost when it comes to insurance. What you don't know can hurt you. At Scott Winkowitz Insurance Group, we're not afraid to advise clients on coverage, even if it costs more, if we truly feel it is in your best interest. If you're already a client, thank you. If you are not a client, we would love the opportunity to earn your business.